Question. Agree or disagree? A or D? I think it's rude to copy someone's manager in an email thread to threaten them to respond fast. I noticed this, it's not only in Asia, around the world. Whenever you feel that you want to threaten someone and say, I have more power because my boss is more powerful than you, therefore I will loop them in. Do you think that's rude? Disagree? Okay. I agree. I agree with you guys. I would say I don't think it's rude. I think the person's trying to call the attention because they want others to be aware of what is happening without explicitly saying that you're being unresponsive. So if you were to loop in your manager and you don't want any conflict, here's my recommended spill. Say something like, "Hi team, I am copying everyone in the loop for efficient communication. Hi Anna and James, I'm adding you here so you can raise your comments too." So you see what I did there? I did not only add them, I also invited them to a discussion. What is the number one rule so you do not look rude? Never loop in someone without mentioning it to the rest of the other audience, right? The least that you want to happen is to sneakily add someone in the email thread without the other people telling it to them. That's rude. So when you add someone or when you delete someone, say something like, "Hi everyone, I deleted the agency in this conversation because the information is confidential." Mention it to them. You have to inform everyone if you added or taken out someone in the email thread. Can I get an exclamation mark if that's cool? All clear?